प्राचीन सभ्यताएं और उनकी समानता। यदि दो प्राचीन सभ्यताओं में काफ़ी समानता हो और उनकी पौराणिक कथाएं भी एक जैसी हो, तो फिर इसे बहुत ही खूबसूरती के साथ मंच पर दिखाया जा सकता है। जी हाँ, मैं आज जिस कार्यक्रम के बारे में आपको बता रही हूँ उसका नाम है व्हेन द गॉड्स मीट। इस कार्यक्रम का आयोजन कमानी ऑडिटोरियम में किया गया और व्हेन द गॉड्स मीट का निर्देशन प्रसिद्ध नृत्यांगना डॉक्टर सोनल मानसिंह जी ने किया। जिन दो देशों की सभ्यताओं की समानता को इस कार्यक्रम के माध्यम से दिखाया गया, उनका नाम है भारत और ग्रीस।
डॉक्टर सोनल मानसिंह's new dance production, When the Gods Meet. Myths and legends are an integral part of any civilization. They depict and symbolize the legacy of values and traditions of those cultures. Two ancient civilizations with similarities in the mythologies are the Indian and the Greek. Erudite cultural researcher Dr. Sonal Mansingh has strung together selected episodes from the two cultures.
I am Sumati, Chief Queen of Kalia, King of Cobras. When we reached this beautiful verdant land, my husband had woken up. Furious at this intrusion, he lunged at the boy and the fight began. The other queens and I stood helplessly as we saw husband, the great king Cobra Kalia, being defeated and trampled upon. That aura of light, that dark boy was dancing on the 1,000 hoods of Kalia. Well, such is the end of wickedness. It is humbled in the end. The dark apparition Krishna did not kill my husband even after defeating him, but just ordered him and all of us to leave and live in the deep ocean. I bow to that epitome of compassion. he that the arrow of love poked him instead. He fell hopelessly in love with her sister. We asked Psyche about her new mood of exhilaration and that bite on her stomach. Who was that? A beast or a demon? She lifted the lamp to his face that very night and sighed with joy's relief. But alas, hot drop of oil fell on sleeping Eros's forehead. He awoke startled, dismayed by this open admission of doubt and distrust. He left her weeping, never to return. Psyche became goddess of the soul, forever yearning and repenting. Oh, the cruel fate of daunting dancers.
ran from the Asura. This is when Vishnu appeared as Mohini the enchantress. Asura was easily distracted. Bewitched by Mohini's beauty, he proposed love and marriage. Mohini invited him to dance competition, winning which she would be his beloved. Now, as I watched intrigued the scene unfolding before my eyes, I saw clever moves by Mohini by which the Asura was compelled to place his right hand on his head. In a trice, he was burned to ashes. So, I learned the lesson. One should not indulge in foolish ambitions.
playing music and making merry on the seashore of the bluest waters you have ever seen, a strange thing happened. A gorgeous, virile white bull with golden horns appeared in our midst. Europa, playful and ever curious, mounted the bull, and before we knew what was happening, they disappeared. We looked for her high and low, couldn't find her or the bull, not even his hoof marks. Many years later, I met her, more charming than ever before, enjoying loving attentions of Zeus, her lover, king of gods. She told me her story. Zeus the bull had galloped off to a flowering bower with her riding on his back. Then the love story unfolded as he lay her down and made passionate love. She introduced me to her children, cherubic girls and boys, adorable and angelic. The joys of love are many. I wondered, when would I meet my Zeus? party of our friends, Uranus, the sky god, and Gaia, the earth goddess. They will soon arrive with their entourage. What a joyous occasion this is! And what a superb coincidence that two divine pairs will be united in marriage. These are those rare moments of cosmic conjunctions, moments of divine blessings and grace. Be blessed. May the divine protect you. May you all experience beatitude. Kalyanamastu, Shubhamastu, Mangalamastu, Kalyanamastu, Shubhamastu, Mangalamastu, Kalyanamastu, Shubhamastu, Mangalamastu.
सोनल मानसिंह भारतीय संस्कृति की विशेषताओं को बहुत ही सुंदर तरीके से विश्व के अलग अलग हिस्सों तक पहुंचा रही हैं। इसका प्रमाण है When the Gods Meet। इस कार्यक्रम के माध्यम से हमें पता चला कि ईश्वर एक है और अगर ईश्वरीय शक्ति के साथ हमारा तालमेल बैठ जाए तो फिर उनके द्वारा दिए गए संदेश भी हम प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। सब कुछ हमारी आस्था पर ही तो निर्भर करता है। भारत के साथ साथ लैटिनो कलाकारों की जादुई प्रस्तुति का आनंद यहाँ पर मौजूद दर्शकों ने उठाया। आपको मिलवाते हैं ऐसे ही दर्शकों से और जानते हैं क्या कहना है उनका इस प्रस्तुति के बारे में।
अद्भुत अद्भुत अद्भुत, बहुत सुंदर। ऐसा लगता है कि दो संस्कृतियां किस तरह गंगा जमुनी ढंग से एक दूसरे में मिल जाती हैं और उसका संगम हो जाता है। डॉक्टर सोनल मानसिंह ने जो ये दिखा दिया कि भारतीय संस्कृति का कोई भी नृत्य हो, नाट्य हो या नृत्य हो, उसमें इतनी गरिमा, इतना फैलाव, इतनी गहराई है कि वो समस्त विश्व में फैले हुए कला के माध्यमों में, मैथोलॉजी में जो कुछ भी सांस्कृतिक है उसे अपने में समेट सकता है।
ये प्रोग्राम बहुत ही सुंदर था। इसके पीछे एक बहुत गहराई और डीप थॉट है। थॉट ये है कि किस तरह जो सब कुछ है, सृष्टि है, जितनी माइथोलॉजी स्टोरीज है, इनकी जो जड़ है, रूट है, वो एक ही है।